Well, students, in our previous class, we have already studied about certain problems on playing with numbers. In that class, we discussed about divisibility rule by taking divisibility of 10, divisibility of 2, divisibility of 5 and divisibility by 9. See the differences. Any number is ended with 0 is always divisible by 10. Very important. Any number ended with 0 is always divisible by 10. So divisible by 5 also. Any number ended with 0 is also divisible by 5. Any number ended with even number, that is divisible by 2. Any number ended with even number, that is always divisible by 2. But divisibility of 9 will differ. What we have to do? We have to add the digits in the numeral. So you have to add the digits in the numeral. If that number is divisible by 9, then the given number is divisible by 9. In that, we discussed a few problems. I will continue the same problem. So with different numbers. So one of the number, yes, first example related to this divisibility of 9. If the 3 digit number, if the 3-digit number 24x is divisible by 9, what is the value of x? What is the value of x? So here 3-digit number is given, that is 24x is a numeral. 24x is one of the numeral. X is there in unit place, 4 is there in 10th place, and 2 is there in 100th place. We have to find the sum of these numbers. 2 plus 4 plus x. Now which is equal to 2 plus 4 is 6 plus x. Now we got the number 6 plus x. Now here what is the value of x? If it is divisible by 9, remember, if it is divisible by 9, so x is either 3 or 9 or 6 or 9. But here, so x is there in the unit place. X is there in the unit place. Therefore, x is the numbers which are divisible by 9 is 9, 18, so 27, etc. Among these, any one value that is divisible by 9. Therefore, that is equal to 9 you can take, because any number is divisible by 9. Division is the inverse process of multiplication. That must be equal to 9. So now x is equal to 9 minus 6. So now x is equal to 3. If x is 3, then it is divisible by, x is 3 divisible by 9. Let us verify. Yes. 2 4x, we know that 2 4x is 3. Now 243 divided by 9. Divide by 9. Now observe. Yes. 3 3 sum 9. 3 8 sum 24. 3 1s. Again 3 1s. 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are. So that is 9 27s are 243. So while taking x value 3, it is divisible by 9. Therefore, what is the value of x? Which is 3. Remember, like this we have to find the x value. So if you are taken 18, so 2 plus 4 plus x is equal to 18. If you have taken 18, now 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus x is equal to 18, x is equal to 18 minus 6, x is equal to 12. Now that is wrong, because only one number, unit place is there, yes, that is the only number, it lies between 0 to 9. If you have taken x value 12, that is, so the unit in 100,000 place, remember? So therefore, what is the value of x? X value is here, remember in this problem, x value is here 3. So let us pass on to the another problem like this. So observe carefully. So these problems are very interesting one, and you have to know the table very well, then only we can solve very easily. If 2, 1, y 5, 2, 1, y 5 is a multiple of 9, where y is a digit, one digit. What is the value of y? What is the value of y? Now same procedure we have to follow. We are already known. We have to find the sum of the digit in the numeral. That is, sum is equal to 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus y. Now 8 plus y is equal to 9. You have to take 8 plus y is equal to 9. Y value, that is RHS, that is always greater than this numeral sum. That is very important. Greater than this numeral sum. So 9 we have taken. Now, yes, because it is a multiple of 9. Now y is equal to 9 minus 8. So y is equal to 1. Very easily we got the value y. So what we did here, we have added all the digits in the numeral. We got 8 plus y. That 8 plus y is equal to 9, because so we are already known it is a multiple of 9. Therefore, you can consider it as equal to 9. So now y is equal to 9 minus 8. We got the value 1. And another problem. Yes, the hierarchy of problems will differ one to another. If 3, 1, Z5 is a 3, 1, Z5 is a multiple of 9. Is a multiple of 9, where Z is a digit. Z is a digit. What is the value of Z? What is the value of Z? Yes. Now here you can find the value of Z. Yes, you can find the sum of the numeral. So what is it? What are the digits involved here? 3 plus 1 plus Z plus 5, which is equal to 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 5 is yes 9. 9 plus Z. 9 plus Z. Now, so here you can choose two values. Either it is divisible by 9, that multiples of 9 also. Suppose which is equal to 9. Which is equal to 9. So Z is equal to 9 minus 9. So Z is equal to 0. We got one value. Z value 0. Rather than this, any other possibility R. So 9 plus Z So Z. Why? So 9 plus Z is equal to 27. Observe here. So Z is equal to 27 minus 9. Z is equal to yes 17 minus 8 1 18. 18 is a two-digit number. 9 is a single-digit number. 0 is also single-digit number. Therefore, Z is equal to 0 or 9. Remember, this is not possible. This is not possible. So don't write only 0. Even 9 is also correct. Either 0 or 9. Now you can verify. So whether our answer is true or not, you can verify. Yes, you can verify. So let us consider 0, 3, 1, 0, 5 divided by 9. Yes, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 0, 1 is not divisible, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are. Again 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, it will become 13. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are. So 345 you will get after dividing by 9. After dividing by 9. Now in the same way you can take it as 9. So 3 1 9 5. 3 1 9 5 divided by 9. Even you can consider Z value 9. Let us take 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 1 is not divisible 0. So, yes, 1 is not 3, you have written, yes, either you can write directly 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 0, 3 6 are 18, 18, now remaining 1, 3 5s are, again 3 1s are, 3 3s are, 3 5s are, 3 5s are, so which is 355, it will divide exactly while taking 0 and 9, therefore both the values are correct. That's why you can consider 0 or 9. Z value may be either 0 or 9. Both the values will satisfy Z value. Remember once again, don't write 0 only in this problem. 0 is also correct, 9 is also correct. Therefore, Z value may be 0 or 9, but not 20. So next number. Next number it is not possible. Only two values, one is 0, another one is 9. Now, like this, so another higher order problem I will take, so observe carefully. Yes, very interesting problems. The fourth one. If 2 4x is a multiple of 3 where x is a digit, what is the value of x? What is the value of x? Very interesting. It's a multiple of 3, it's not multiple of 9. Of course, so 3 divides 9. 3 is a factor of 9. Now, we can find the sum, which is 2 plus, yes, 2 plus 4 plus x are the 3 numbers, are the 3 digits in the numeral. Now, which is divisible by 9? So, which is not divisible by 9, which is divisible by 3. If it is divisible by 9, definitely it will divide by 3. But if it is divisible by 3, may or may not divisible by 9. We can remember. That's why 2 plus 4 plus x we can consider it as, so it has 9. Let us see later on. So 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus x is equal to 9. So x is equal to 9 minus 6. X is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. So here x value is 3. Of course, directly we can say it is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 3. Even you can consider the next value also. Let us say 18. 2 plus 4 plus x is equal to 18. Is equal to 18. Now 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus x is equal to 18. X is equal to 18 minus 6. X is equal to yes, which is 12. Which is 12. Now, so what we done here is, remember, x is 3, it is okay, but so x is 19, very bigger number. Even that is the 2-digit number. That is the 2-digit number. So therefore, here you can consider 2 plus 4 is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Therefore, it is also a division is also a inverse process of multiplication. Now 3. Here we will get negative value. Here you will get x value is minus 3. That is also not possible. Then what we have to do? What is the best rule we have to adopt here? Same one. So you can go one by one here. Observe carefully. 2 plus 4 plus x is equal to 9. You can consider the same one. 6 plus x is equal to 9. X is equal to 9 minus 6. X is equal to 3. We got one value. Yes, you can verify that one. So 243. So 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are. It means 381s are. It will divide exactly 243. 243. So now you can consider the next value. So next value. So it means even if you can consider so 0. Even you can consider 0. 243. Observe here. 240. Divide by 3. How much it is? 3 8s are 24 0. So therefore unit place occupies 0 also. Now 243 divided by 3. So it is 81. 243. So instead of 0 3 here you can take 6. Divide by 3. 3 8s are 3 2s are. Even you can say 249 multiples of 3 by 3. It is 3 8s are 3 3s are. More than that, even if you have taken bigger number, that is not the unit place single number. Therefore, x may be 0 or 3 or 6 or 9. Remember here. So in unit place, x is 0, either 3 or 6 or 9. So therefore, these are all the 4 values. X is 0 or 3 or 6 or 9. Either 0 or 3 or 6 or 9 means maybe 0, maybe 3, maybe 6, maybe 9. All 4 values will satisfy you. If you have taken all the 4 values, that is divisible by 3. Rather than that 0, 3, 6, 9, any other number if you have taken, so in a single digit which is not divisible by 3, which is not divisible by 3. Therefore, you can remember, even 3 is also correct, but instead of that, so 0, unit place occupies 0, it will divide by 3, unit place occupies 3 in this problem, 243, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are. So therefore 3. So again 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. Like that also you can verify. So 0, 3, 6, 9, all the 4 values are yes in this problem. So we will continue the another one. Like this. Very interesting one. Yes. Fifth one. If 3 1 Z5 is a multiple of 3 where Z is a digit What might be the value of z? So what might be the means you can find the value of z. So now here it's also same time. So 3 1 z 5. So remember 3 plus 1 you can find this sum. 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5 which is divisible by 9 because 0 3 6 are the numbers factors of. So that is 0 3 6 you can write that one also. So now 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus z is equal to 9. So z is equal to, we got 0, 9 minus 9, we got 0. Now if z is 0, so even you can take the factors. For example, you can verify z is 0. Okay, now 3 1 0 5 divided by 3. Yes, divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, not divisible. 10, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are. So 3105 divided by 3 you will get 135. It means it will divide exactly. Suppose the next number, so 0, next number is 3, next number is 6, multiples of 3. On that 3135 divided by 3. Yes, 3 1s are 3, 1 is not divisible. 3 4s are 12. So 3 5s are 15. So 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3. So 3 0 1 0 3 5. Remember once again. 3 1s are 3. 1 is not divisible, right? 0. 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 1035. Now let us say 6. 3 1 6 5 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. So 1 is not divisible. Take the second digit. That's why I correct 0. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. So that is 1055. Again 3 1. So here we have taken 0. 3 6. Next number 9 5 by 3. 3 1s are 3. Sorry. 3 1s are, yes it is 3 1 3 1 9 5. 3 1s are 3. 1 is not divisible. 3 6 are 18. 3 5s are 15. Observe all these numbers are exactly divisible by 9. Exactly divisible by 9. Therefore, what are the values of z? Here z is equal to 0 or 3 or, yes, z is equal to 0 or 3 or 6 or 9. So remember these values. Z value is 0, 3, 6, 9. Suppose next number, if you have taken 12, that is the double digit number. So here they are given unit 10 place. 10 place occupies 0 to 9. More than that it is not possible. Got this idea? So like this also, we have to find the values of z. Therefore, z is 0, z is 3, z is 6, z is 9. 4 values are possible in this problem. Another one I will give it to you. Very interesting one. Yes. Now find the value of x in 8 9s which is divisible by 9. Yes, we can find it sum. 8 plus 9 plus x. 8 plus 9 is 17 plus x. The next step is very important. So in all previous problems we have taken a 9 can continue by taking 27. Suppose you can verify 8 plus 9 plus 8, which is divisible by 9, so you can consider it as 27. Now 9 plus 8 is 70 plus 8 is equal to 27. X is equal to 27 minus 17. X is 10. Now, so 1 is a single digit, 10 is a double digit. So here it is not possible to write 10. Only the value, that is x is 1, then it will divide 9. Instead of that, if you have taken x value is 17 plus x is equal to 9, there you will get the negative numbers. Got this idea? So multiples of 9, the next number or another rule. So 17 bigger numbers, and compared to 17 you can take the bigger number. You can take the bigger number, don't take the lesser number. So now we got x value 1. So another one, so you can complete with the help of this problem. Observe carefully. Yes, very interesting problem. If 5x 4 is a number divisible by 9, what is the value of x? Yes, you can find it sum. Sum is equal to 5 plus x plus 4. Now it is 9 plus x, which is equal to 9. Either equal to 9 or greater than 9 you can consider. Among that the first one. Now x is equal to 9 minus 9. X is equal to 0. Even you can verify, definitely it will divide by 9. Suppose if you have taken 18, that is, suppose if you have taken 18, 5 plus 6 plus 4, which is equal to 18 because divisible by 9. 9 2s are 18. Now, so it is 9 plus x is equal to 18. X is equal to 9. X is equal to 9. Let us verify by taking x is equal to 9. First one, 504 divided by 9. So 3 3s are 3 1s are 3, 20, 3 6 are 18, 3 8s are 24. Again 3 1s are 3 5s are 3 6 are. It is 56. Which is 56. Let us take 9. 594 divided by 9. 594 divided by 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Remaining 2, 20, 28. 3 9s are 27. So 3 9s are 27. Observe here, 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Remaining 2, 29. So 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. So you can subtract 27 to remaining 24. 3 8s are 24. Again 3 1s are 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 66. Therefore, both the values, even x value 0 or 9. 0 or 9. So therefore, x is equal to 0 or 9. Both the values will satisfy here. What do we have product? Either that sum must be equal to 0 or greater than that sum. That numerical sum you can consider. Suppose if you have taken 27, it is not possible. 27, x value will get greater than 9, so it is not possible. So like this, you can find the digits in the numeral. Some of the problems are there in your